My brothers and sisters, are good to know. My main Nigerian advisor, still on it. Uh, my people agree to now. Without protest. We dey wait more we see what they go do. Whether they go listen to what we ask them to do as they promise. But that one not mean say we'll go this house, we no go talk because we must still talk. Because it gets some kind things when we dey see for this country and when they pain us reach bone. I go start with many people they wonder say why they talk about Edo State. I'm from Delta State. And they talk about Edo State because after I stay Delta State, I'll still go Edo State, my neighboring state, to visit them. I'd always go there to visit them well, you know. Edo State Governor. You know my guy. During your election, I support you in many ways. If you check my videos, you'll see them. But I come wonder what did they happen now? Why they ask that question are because of that palliatives. It pay me say federal government release palliatives for them to share to the citizens. They say that they keep on wait for the second phase of COVID-19. I want to ask one question. The first phase of COVID-19, who una share the palliatives when they give? Una give. Because me know say many areas for Edo State, they not share palliatives. We don't even know whether they share palliatives for Edo State. So many states, all of them come they store their palliative. When people they hungry, because say they don't store, they come make sure say they increase rice come dey 48, I be 45,000 for a bag. So that as this December come, they'll turn up for another bag, they'll come they sell them. Shame. Well, I know say not gonna afford to, because if una don't join that year party, that two party win and know. Because you know say this country na two-party system they operate. They say that multi-party, but that two-party we they see. Once, even if you be pastor, you be born again, you don't join that two-party for inside. You come they do nonsense thing when they do. Whether they go swear first, say if I become a governor, now this kind of nonsense thing I go they do. Whether they go swear first, I don't know. He pay me say Edo State Governor not be you supposed keep that palliative. Even during your campaign for election, you supposed to share am. Now they hear say one governor or one person for one side say in they wait for a birthday day when go share am because say na a personal property. He say they wait for a birthday when go share your own. Attire. People they hungry. Me myself, not be say I dey hungry. I'm not hungry. God does still bless me because I'm a businessman. But we go talk for people. We go talk for the country. For the country to better, we go talk. There are a lot of things when they go wrong. If federal government says share palliatives to the citizens, una go share am. No be na personal property. People dey hungry. Price of rice dey increase. We don't know wetin dey make am increase. We no know na wetin they hide on one side when they wan sell. To yesterday, they come reach 45,000, and people dey receive 30,000 for monthly salary. Okay, now, for example, God forbid, can never happen. Say I can't work for one government. Because people when me know say that they work for one government, now that they work for federal government, They buy land for one place for like 10 years, they never fulfill that foundation. As I did here, so I don't build my house, so I know they suffer. For 10 years, they cannot, they cannot, they don't have one foundation to show. What do you can't work for? You work, they'll pay you 30,000. You can't go borrow 15,000, put on top, they go buy one bag of rice. Because you won't make your family still eat rice. May not be like say you know the country. Even the Gary said out there. What do you want buy when you go feel let your family eat? If you fair borrow 15,000 now, join your 30,000 when they pay you monthly, take buy a bag of rice. How you take go work? How you take care of children's school fees? How you take care of a lot of things? Your demand, you cannot meet with them. You can never meet up with those demand. Like no guy you take meet up with them. Which kind of country will come there? You receive salary, you go borrow 15,000, join the salary to buy one bag of rice. If we dey talk, una no dey wan lis ten to wetin we dey talk. I dey watch Lagos State House of Assembly. They say they wan regulate social media because we dey talk the truth when dey affect them. E dey pain me say you no go fit lis ten to wetin the person dey talk so that you will learn out of it to amend your ways. Now you wan regulate. Regulate who? Man, let una know the youth of this country, they get weight. They get weight. Very soon, anybody above 50 years, you no go fit come and say, make vote for me, no matter the kind of money wey you get. Very soon, it does that. And we, the youth, go hold am strong. We never wait for now. By 2023, una go come beg us, abeg. Youth, come vote for us. More come vote for una come see they kill us again. Twenty 2023 go soon reach. E no take time. E go soon reach. Una come beg us. And I go still advise the youth. Make una know yourself. If time for voters card reach, all you should go and register and collect your PVC. Because now that PVC be your power. When you take fight against all these idiots, when they call themselves politicians. Now man let you know. Those say one of the primary school say, children, listen to your parents. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Try to pay our school fees and give us the best education. That's what they sing that year for primary school. But now it can't be now. It can't turn to children, listen to your parents. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Imagine. Old mouth, 80 years. Now it can't be leaders of tomorrow. Old mouth, 70 years. Now it can't be leaders of tomorrow. When the youth go take reach there. When the elders, they take the youth place. The elders, they take the youth position. I can't wonder my guy. One of my guys say he won't come out. He won't come out. He don't tire for the country. Now he tell me, say, my guy. He say, I beg, if you be the last person to leave the country, I beg off the light, I don't go. You know? But people like us, we know they go anywhere within this country. The country must better, oh. The country must better. And if you say people like us, when they talk our truth, say when I want arrest us. No matter. We did, as far as we're not thief. We not commit any crime. Now talk with they talk for the country to better. Because if we not talk, the country not go good. If we not talk, it not get how this country go take good. We must talk for the country to good. So he pay me. My governor Obaseki, I beg, if we address the youth, many of us like you well. Address the youth, why you know share the palliative, let people know, say I be. Because many of us we lose confidence, I beg. We lose confidence and we try for you during your election. So we lose confidence, try address us. I know say you will see this my video through many people when they close to you. And my youth, my fellow youth, very soon, we youth will vote for youth. No matter the kind of money when they go bring art, see them won't share for us. Because the money no go fit help the country. They are not to thief the money, go put them for America account. Almost all the politicians get account to America. Imagine. They'll get their picking go get, their wife go get. Imagine. Then the little when they don't if when election come, they'll come to share 7,000, 10,000 vote for me. When you don't vote for 4 years, you can't suffer times 10,000 of that money when they give you. Time though this one will use our brain. And for the hoodlums, when they this country, they advise now. When I know they take law into their hands, they advise as Nigerian advisor. Make una know they take law into their hands. It's not good. Do the right thing. When you see people they protest, take them as avenue for you to go they do bad things. No, because the protest is for peace. Now peaceful protest. Peaceful protest now they call them. I can't wonder why hoodlums go hijack. You hoodlums find better thing do. Find better thing. Not go do monthly work under they pay you 20,000, 30,000. No. Go get handwork. Handwork better thing. If you get handwork, you will get money like white too. You can never suffer. You can never beg for food. They involve for all this crime again. They involve for crime. If you get better thing when they give you money every day, because if you get handwork, your handwork will give you money every day. And if you don't get handwork, say you won't do business. Like this popular POS business. It's there everywhere. With small money, you open POS. They get your money. You get letters that they call daily allowance and then the monthly allowance. They get them small. Find something where they do. Life go better for you. Not depend on say they will dash me, they will give me, they will do this, I go beg. No. Find something where you go they do. If you they do something, you not go suffer. You not go suffer. This country, remember as I said before, as I first talked before, this country will not go fold down hand make it spoil. It must better. When they say Buhari, we can't look and say not be only Buhari again. Not be Buhari. Because if you look most time, not be Buhari, now they follow us. It only pay me the time when Buhari come in as a president. I can't wonder many thieves can't they decamp the party. They can't they decamp the party now. Can't say, hey God, this one all these thieves they decamp this party so they won't come spoil everything. Now would they see so? Now that one would they see so? If you not repent, it will still affect una children. Even if una think say una don't keep money. No be me create myself. No be you create yourself. God, now somebody, now God, now create the heaven and the earth. Now create you. If you just say today your life go end, it go end. If you say your pikin, your children, your family won't go end one day, it go end. You no get power of your own self. Now God, now get power over you. So you need to do things when right. If not, if God verse one day say you don't do bad, today you they go, your family they go. That's where it go be. So I they advise now because as I did, I only advice now the advice. So who say not take my advice? Now I know. And our youth, I beg. The next election 2020, vote for youth party. We'll see whether this one go see cause little change. Because if they pay me the first time when they tell us say they won't change, say change. We can't listen to them. They say they won't turn fuel to 50 naira per liter. How much it can be now? Cement can be 3,000 for cement. Last time they told us now 2.6. 2.6 now, 400 $, that'll be 3,000. Attire. Nigeria. Where will they go? They borrow money every day. For China, one day China go tell us, say, na me get Nigeria now. I tire for them all. I beg una. Una use sense do everything una they do. Now God create all of us. Go good again. Nigeria will be great again. Una not forget. Time for election, for registration reach for PVC. Register and go and collect your PVC. Your PVC then be the power where you get over these old men, over these old politicians when they say they won't kill us finish. They say they won't kill the youth when they say be the leaders of tomorrow. By the time when they kill all the youth finish, who will come be the leaders of the tomorrow? Now the elders will come be the leaders of the tomorrow. Those one I be watching what they call greediness. And yeah. I beg man, they go do another news. I get one news to do for there. I greet you now. Man, they go. I greet you now.